How to fix Messenger video call background not working. So first is to head over to the Settings application. Once you're in Settings, scroll down until you find Apps. Tap on this. You may use the search icon to search for Messenger. Once you're on Messenger, tap Force Stop, which is located on the lower right corner. And then tap OK. After this, scroll down and select Storage. Now tap on Clear Cache and then Clear Data. So before you clear your data, you must remember your login credentials, as this is needed once you open your Messenger account. And then tap Delete. Go back and then select Picture in Picture. So make sure that this option is turned on, as this will help you fix the background in your Messenger video call. And so those are the ways on how you fix Messenger video call background not working. Thank you and have a great day.